Hi everybody, I'm here with another video, and today I'm here to share another altered flashcard for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. And this week, is week 35. I am on a roll. Um, I've been going through my craft room, and I have rediscovered items that I'm like, oh my gosh, I haven't used in a long time. And I'm like, gosh, I have so much of it. And I need to start using them. And I'm trying to organize my room where I can see them in a way that I will use them. And I believe it because I found something. I'm like, oh my gosh, here they are. I was looking for them. So if I bought a couple weeks ago, my daughter and I went shopping, and we went to Ross, and they have these storage containers, and it was a reasonable price, and I reorganized my buttons, and it just kind of spiraled into oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. So let me share what I created for this week's Deck the Year. And I'm using a Hello Kitty flashcard. It was on my desk, and I covered it with paper, and this is what I created. So this is paper from my little baggie of scraps. And of course, I went vintage. I used, this is a ephemera piece from Hobby Lobby, as well as this piece. And I inked the edges, and it says, "These are the days to remember." Here is a flower ephemera that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And this is, I've been cutting out words for Christmas and just words in general. And I found this one in my stash somewhere. And I'm like, I'm going to keep this on my desk. And I used it. And then here's a little doily. Like, oh my gosh, I have tons of doilies. I know I've sold doilies in the past, or from my stash, and I still have quite a bit. Laces, oh my gosh, I have tons. I mean, everything I have tons of, so I really do not need to buy anything for years. But you can't help but buy when you see new things. Anyway, here's a ticket that I had altered, or I created and stamped on it and added a word, and it says "Enjoy Today." So I thought it was just really cute. I added this flower. Um, I don't know what they're called. I think this came from like a strand of trim, and then it was cut up or something. But I have a ton of these white ones and some purplish ones. And I added some pearls in the center of the flowers, and I just love how that looked. And then I inked the edges, and then I added this lace trim from my bag of laces, and I used it, and I made it into a tag. So I really love how this turned out. It's just like a collage of mix match of things, and textures, and I love this word bless. I need to cut out more of these words, because I have a lot of word dies that I could definitely use on tags and things like that. So yeah, so this is for week 35 for hashtag Deck the Year. Go ahead and click on that hashtag and follow Penny, because she does a whole bunch of other things, not just deck the year, and you won't be disappointed. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.